Hi guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to get Subway Surfers hacked version with unlimited keys and coins. The link is in the description. Now this app, whenever an update is needed, it will ask you when you first launch the game. You know the way it usually asks you to update in the original version? It's not that way. As soon as you start the game, there will be a message, and if you want to install the update, click on OK and you will be taken to a website. You have to download an APK file from there. Then you have to install the APK file and it will be updated. So I'm just going to show you a gameplay video of Subway Surfers just to prove that it really does have coins and keys. So let's start. As you can see, I have unlimited keys and coins, and characters unlocked, all hoverboards unlocked. I'll do a small gameplay right now. Oh shit. It's a tough part. Okay. Oh, and I almost forgot. You also have a very big high score, which is probably the biggest ever, except for those who also have that version. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and